To find the solution to this system of equations by using the substitution method, we have to make sure that one of the variables is isolated already. And looking at our system of equations here, we can already see that we know what y equals to. Y equals to negative 6x plus 8. So therefore, we can use that information to substitute that into the other equation where the y is. And so we can rewrite our first equation using the substitution method. So what we have here is 7x plus 2 times y. And we know what y equals to. Y is negative 6x plus 8, and that's equal to 14. Negative 14. And now we can simplify this equation. So first thing is we have to remove the parentheses by distributing the 2. So we have 7x minus 12x plus 16 equals to negative 14. And then to solve this equation, we want to put variables on the left side and constants on the right side. So since 7x and negative 12x is already on the left side, so you just bring it down. 7x minus 12x equals to, and then positive 16 will become negative 16 since I moved it to the other side, and bring down the negative 14. And 7x minus 12x gives us negative 5x equals to negative 16 minus 14 is negative 30. And our last step is divide both sides by negative 5. So x equals to 6. And now we know what x is. We're going to using substitution method again to plug x into either one of the equations to find what y is. And again, it doesn't matter. But the easier equation to use is y equals, since we're looking for y anyway. So we want to know what y equals to negative 6 times x. We know what x is. X is 6. And then plus 8. So therefore, y equals to negative 6 times 6 is negative 36 plus 8. And negative 36 plus 8 gives us negative 28. So therefore, the solution to this system of equation is that my x variable is 6 and my y variable is negative 28.